A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant ruling on Tuesday evening, U.S. District Judge Beryl Howell has barred the Trump administration from conducting warrantless immigration arrests in Washington, D.C., unless there is probable cause that the individual poses a flight risk. This preliminary injunction comes in response to a lawsuit filed by the American Civil Liberties Union, ACLU, and other civil rights organizations, who argued that the administration's practices were likely unlawful and discriminatory. Judge Howell emphasized the need for clarity around the terminology used by high-ranking officials, particularly the repeated association of the terms criminal and alien, which she stated necessitated a deeper examination of the policies in question. The ruling arises amidst a declared crime emergency in the Capitol, as stated by President Trump, who has pledged to rid the city of illegal alien criminals. However, Judge Howell's decision highlights the potential risks associated with such sweeping policies, particularly in light of their impact on immigrant communities. In her 88-page opinion, Judge Howell noted that while federal agents do possess the authority to make warrantless immigration arrests, the manner in which that authority has been exercised in D.C. is likely unlawful. She stated, "Defendants are preliminarily enjoined from enforcing their policy of conducting warrantless civil immigration arrests without probable cause to believe that the arrestee is likely to escape before an administrative warrant can be obtained." This ruling also certified a class of individuals, termed the unassisted escape risk class, which includes all individuals who have been or will be arrested without a warrant since the implementation of the Trump administration's crime emergency declaration. Judge Howell's ruling is the second of its kind, following a similar decision made by another federal judge in Colorado last month, further indicating a judicial pushback against the administration's immigration enforcement policies. The ACLU and other plaintiffs presented evidence that federal agents were conducting indiscriminate patrols and checkpoints in neighborhoods with high Latino populations, resulting in warrantless arrests that violated the established probable cause standard. The judge's ruling mandates that any federal agent conducting such arrests must document the specific facts that justify their belief that a person is likely to flee before a warrant can be secured. This documentation must be submitted to the plaintiff's attorneys for review. The implications of this ruling are profound, as it not only restricts the Trump administration's immigration enforcement tactics, but also raises questions about the treatment of immigrants in the U.S. and the legal standards that govern their arrests. As the legal battle continues, this ruling may serve as a precedent for future cases challenging the administration's immigration policies and their impact on civil liberties. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.